What if I told you that this stunning array of colourful lavenders are all Australian-bred varieties? They are a part of the Lavinnova Royals collection and have been bred for their compact, tidy habits and impressive flower displays. These plants will put on long displays with flowers blooming from early spring right through to summer. And if you look to their feathery tops, these are called the bracts, and you'll notice just how long they are. This is unique to the Lavinnova Royal Collection. These lavenders love a nice sunny spot in the garden, so if you've got an area that gets afternoon sun or even all day sun, that will be perfect for these plants. Now for the soil, they like an area that has good drainage, and they do prefer a soil that's a little bit more rich in organic matter. So if you're planning on putting them into, say, a more sandy soil, adding a little bit of compost or even manure beforehand can really enrich it and help improve its structure. Otherwise, you can always grow them in a pot and they'll do really well. When it comes to planting, make the hole a little deeper than the original pot your planters come in. Then make it a little wider. There is no need to tease the roots as this plant's roots are super healthy. Pop the plant into the hole and backfill with some soil. To encourage even more flowers, give your plants a nice feed throughout the year. I like to give an application of fertilizer in the spring and then again in late summer, early autumn. And it will mean your plants will be even more healthy. And you can give the plants a nice trim once those flowers do finish, and that will just encourage even more of a bushy shape. With endless flower and foliage colours, shapes and sizes to choose from, the Lavinnova collection has the perfect match for your garden. To discover the full range of lavenders, head to lavenders.com.au.